The goal of this project was to restore this bike to its glory, okay, and keep it as original as possible. A lot of modifications could have been made, but that's not what we chose to do. The original paint is on the gas tank. The gas tank is totally original. The covers are original. It's got some blemishes to it. It's not perfect, but that is part of the mystique to the bike. A lot of effort went into keeping this thing original, but we did upgrade. We did a top end on it, and we rebuilt the heads. We put new rings in it. We checked the bore diameter. Everything is good. Compression ratio, at the end of this little clip, you'll see the compression check. Cold, brand new chain. We did electrical modifications. One of the weak point of these bikes were this charging system, and there is new. They combined the rectifier and the voltage regulator together. It still has points, but the charging system, the modification, we made that modification. We wanted to go the extra mile to make sure this thing ran as good as it possibly could. All right, all the brakes are checked out, brand new tires. Common Motors out of Houston was a big help to us. They have all these YouTube videos and parts for the classic Hondas, and they really do a great job. Like I say, carburetors were a mess, and in fact we did an episode on just KC rebuilding the carburetors. This bike comes with spare parts to another set of rebuilt carburetors that we've brought up to speed. Everything that we took off of this bike, we kept. So all those parts are there. Like I say, this thing is pristine as pristine gets. It runs great. And in a second, you're going to see KC taking it out and putting it through its paces. And there was not a single issue. It purrs like a sewing machine. Very impressive. I think it looks good. That's outstanding.